Einhell! We decided to start, we have grown some strawberries from seeds and they've grown enough, so I think we decided to plant them on the ground here.
Äsken höysin maun, joka oli muassa, ja seurasin.
My daughter's trying to find earthworms. So what I'm doing is I'm digging up the ground from there, just turning it around, putting the shovel on the ground.
Mitä?
Näkyykö?
Missä? Missä? Missä on nyt?
Tuolla.
Jotain.
What I need to get this job done, I really wouldn't need anything else except my trusty old shovel here. This course, Finnish made. Hopefully, I mean it was at least. Here's my daughter. She's trying to speak English as well. That's her understanding of the language. Yeah. And I even wouldn't need the machine that I'm gonna use, but it is just going to make my life that much more spectacularly more easy. What we've got here is a failure to communicate. No, this is a garden well, it basically just destroys these huge boulders of ground and makes decent soil out of them. Hopefully, at least. Enough talking, let's destroy some ground. I'm not certain it has. It's supposed to do that. We have an older piece of these that I have used before, but I haven't used this one before, so I don't know what happens. The older is a bit larger and older. If I were to give a review of this product, the review would go something like this. It sucks both of my balls. Not just one, nay, both of the balls. Simultaneously. Hey, it starts well, that's good. It starts very well. Yeah, I suppose the name refers to the sensation of using this machine. Einhell! We have a saying, if something is real shitty, it is yksi helvetti. Se on yksi helvetti. And that's what Einhell means. Let's start these engines. Maybe. There we go! it wasn't quite a small project in the end. Well, there's plenty of strawberries. I've already planted some elsewhere, and there's few in here. You can see there's two different strawberries, two different 3, 4. So if we want, we can make a larger strawberry pile there, but I'm afraid that these have been in these pots for too long, so I might damage their roots. Got them here unharmed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna remodel this ground in small hills. As you can see here, this is not perfect at all, but it's good enough. It's good enough since I'm gonna use some extra soil anyway. As you can see, most of the grass has already dried up. There's still a few green patches here and there, but mostly it's dry, which means that it won't bother the growth of the strawberries as much. I'm just willy-nilly building strawberry mounds here. So I'm thinking here's a strawberry mound, here another, and another. So I'll just put one there, like so. Let's see how many I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 strawberry mounds for the awesome strawberries. So there's 6 now. I only need 18 more. 16, huh? Get it? That was hilarious. A joke for all ages. I'm not a beautiful man, so these strawberry mounds shall not be beautiful, or I would have to destroy them. Soil here is actually pretty good. I'm just gonna mix it in there. Make a hole for the strawberry in the middle. And have some mixed soil there. There's plenty of beautiful air for the strawberries. And in the following few days there's supposed to be a rain. So this will be perfect. Let's take this one with the flower here. See what happens. Okay, there's lots of roots already. There we go. Now it's a beautiful strawberry mound. Yeah, no one can disagree on that. Then next strawberry. Come on, yes. And there's also a slug here. And slugs, as we all know, are perfect for companions for strawberries. Right? You can quote me on that. If you're a slug, then off to strawberries you go. Snails we don't have. Let's hope it stays that way. Except, of course, snails are delicious to eat. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Or more. Berries of the straw. What a weird damn name that is, you British people, you. Given perfectly good mansikka. Such a silly name. A strawberry. That doesn't make any sense now, does it? Doesn't have any straws. Have you tried drinking through a strawberry of late? And if you have, you should reconsider your life choices. All of these strawberries that I'm planting here today are going to be in a perfect working condition from here on out, right? Nothing is going to stop them. Oh no. They don't mind about winters, no. These strawberries, they are loving it. They last as long as I do. Unless, of course, these strawberries last for 6 years. The strawberry man made a strawberry field. Think being here alone it's getting on me. Hey, don't worry, we're almost through. 4 more strawberries after this. Then we have planted le strawberry field, as the Germans, no way, le French would say. Oui, oui, le strawberry field. Actually, for any possible French-speaking audience, did you know that patong is a Finnish way of saying baguette? As the most perceptive of you might have noticed, I'm not a gardener. All I need to do is put in the hay everywhere here. Hay is hello in Finnish. Now, this is not a straight line, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe I ought to get some glasses. This is just plain awful. I'm just gonna grab and pull here the watering dealios. Thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoyed this, do go on and press like, even subscribe to our beautiful channel. If you have any issues with how I did things here, anything that I said maybe, if you want to comment, I welcome any comment. If you have any improvement ideas, please do educate me. I don't mind at all. And yeah, if you have any ideas on what you would like to see me do, then just please comment. Okay, that's about it. Thank you. Ja ei muuta kuin moro moro.